Welcome. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on Instagram marketing. Instagram has become a key platform for both online and traditional businesses. Why? It attracts a highly engaged audience with purchasing power. If you build a solid Instagram account, it can provide long-term benefits for your brand. The importance of marketing. Marketing is crucial. Great content paired with effective marketing leads to profits. High-quality visuals alone won't guarantee success without proper promotion. Creating your account. Let's start with setting up your account. If you already have a model ready to showcase, you might wonder, do you need a new phone or a US SIM card? Should you use a VPN? Account setup tips. If you haven't engaged in Instagram spamming or created multiple accounts that got banned, you likely don't need a new phone. Download the Instagram app. If you've used it before, consider reinstalling it to create a fresh account targeted at your desired audience. For SIM cards, I recommend registering accounts using email instead. Your phone number doesn't need to be linked to your Instagram account. A simple VPN will suffice, just ensure it's reliable. Account warming. Once your account is set up, the next step is warming it up. I've shared a detailed guide on this in my Telegram. It's the safest way to ensure Instagram doesn't flag your account. Content posting strategy. Avoid posting explicit content at the start. Instagram may shadow ban accounts that share such material. Begin with safe content to build your following. Gradually, you can introduce more provocative posts. Posting frequency. Don't overwhelm your new account with posts. Start with one post a day for the first week or two. As your account grows, you can increase to 2 or 3 posts daily, but avoid excessive posting to maintain engagement. Content types. Use a mix of photos, carousels, and videos that align with your brand. Instagram stories are essential for daily engagement. They keep your audience connected and can attract new followers. Inspiration for content. For video content, scroll through your feed for trending ideas. Use Pinterest for image inspiration and define aesthetic visuals that fit your niche. Paid promotion. Avoid buying followers. It leads to low engagement and can harm your account. If you choose to promote, do it strategically. Start with a small budget and focus on consistent growth. Organic growth may be slower, but it builds a loyal audience. Hashtags. Use 5 to 6 relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Mix broad and niche-specific tags. Place hashtags in the comments to keep your captions clean. Creating your brand story. Make your Instagram account feel like a real person, not just a character. Emotional connections drive engagement. Prepare a compelling bio and share relatable stories through your posts and stories. Final tips. Focus on building your Instagram before promoting external links. Ensure your content is high quality. Avoid posting anything that looks fake or poorly made. Thank you for watching. Stay persistent, and I wish you success in your Instagram marketing journey.